Have you ever found yourself frustrated by the complexities of international payments? The hidden fees, slow processing times, and the constant worry about exchange rates? In today's globalized world, businesses of all sizes need seamless and efficient financial solutions. Traditional banking systems, designed for a bygone era, often fall short in meeting the demands of modern enterprises. A modern financial solution. Airwallex is a fintech company that's revolutionizing the way businesses handle cross-border transactions. It's a platform designed to simplify global finance, making it more accessible, affordable, and efficient. Key problems Airwallex solves. High transaction fees. Traditional banks often charge hefty fees for international transfers, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. Airwallex offers competitive exchange rates and transparent pricing, significantly reducing these costs. Slow processing times. International transfers can take several days, even weeks, to complete. Airwallex leverages advanced technology to expedite these transfers, ensuring faster access to funds. Complex currency exchange. Dealing with multiple currencies and exchange rates can be a headache. Airwallex offers a unified platform to manage various currencies, simplifying the process. Limited visibility and control. Traditional banking systems often lack the transparency and control businesses need over their finances. Airwallex provides real-time tracking and detailed transaction history, empowering businesses to make informed decisions. How Airwallex works. Multi-currency accounts. Open multiple currency accounts to streamline your global operations. Global payments. Send and receive payments in various currencies, quickly and securely. Virtual cards. Issue virtual cards for online purchases, reducing fraud risks. API integration. Integrate Airwallex's API into your existing systems for seamless financial operations. The Airwallex advantage. Cost-effective, save on fees and exchange rates. Fast and efficient, accelerate your global transactions. Transparent and secure, gain full visibility and control over your finances. Scalable, grow your business without worrying about complex financial operations. Airwallex is more than just a financial platform, it's a strategic partner for businesses looking to expand globally. By addressing the pain points of traditional banking, Airwallex empowers businesses to focus on growth and innovation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.